Here we go. There we go, ladies. We are ready to start high intensity interval training. Now, give me a thumbs up again if you're hearing me. Ah, perfect, fabulous. Welcome to Dance Week again. If you are here for the very first time, I am your girl Chris Corio, and this is my dance fitness family. Many of the ladies, let me just warn you, many of the ladies who are here have been here before. And because they've been here before, some of them will look like professionals, but don't you worry, don't get intimidated by them, all right? They've been practicing with me for quite a while now. All right, so as I said before, we're gonna start with some African dancing, then we're gonna go into some soca, then dancehall, and then we're gonna do some arm rotations, arm isolations, just to have us warm, just to have us cooling down. So we're starting from African music, and I want us to really start to focus on breathing in, inhaling deeply, and exhaling. We always want to focus on the point in time you're feeling like the workout is a bit too much. You can slow down, modify to suit your own pace. There we go, breathe. So this step here, I like to start my classes with a little step so that we're able to hear the music, feel the beat. So I give you a little bit of silence so you can hear the beat. Here we go. All right. And while you're here, I want you to focus on the breath as well. Just bounce for me. Bounce, bounce. 2, 3, 4, 6. Slightly. Warming up those ankles. That's it, ladies. That's it. From here, just lift the toes. Lift the toes. Just a slight movement. That's it. Stretching the back of those ankles. Lift it up again. 1, 2. Light on the feet. 4, 5, 6, 7. Reverse it. Now we go. Lift those toes. 2. Yeah. 3, 4, 5, 6. Maintaining that breath. And step, step, breathe in, stretch the hands up and down, breathe in, inhale, open the chest and exhale, breathe in, open the arms and shoulders and exhale, good, and exhale, just reach over to the side, nice little ballistic stretch, hold it here, good, 5, 6, 7, other side, reaching over, really reach up and out of the shoulder joint, that's it ladies, 5, 6, 7, lift the knee, lift it up, 2, and what I really want you to focus on, if you've been sitting all day or not really doing much movement, try to focus on getting that little stretch in the legs, the hamstrings up in the groin, area to the side a little bit, that's it, 1, 2, 3. But the very first movement that we're going to be doing is a zonto. Kick the foot at the back. A zonto is a really simple move, yeah? It's really just a step to the side. We're doing 4 sets of each movement. We do a zonto, then we're going to do guara guara, then we're going to do 2 commercial African dances, and then we're going to do all of this 4 times. All right, here we go. Let me set my timer here. So as I said before, hit, so we're going to be doing some high intensity, followed by some intervals, all right? In 3. Let me wait until the song dies down a bit. Here we go. So, here and stop. Here, stop. Here, stop. Here, and if I speed that up, it goes like this. Like you're reaching forward and pulling something back. And then on my count, we're going to go down. We're going to go as low as you can. That's the first step. Really simple. The next step is guara guara. It goes here, 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 other side, here, here, here. And in short, so you're pulling up, almost like you're pulling up a leg. That's the second step, all right? The next step,
We can't hear you.
Hearing now? Hearing now? Okay. All right. So what I was saying, the hands will go here and here. And we're gonna go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. And we do that for 1 minute. The next step, ladies, will go like this. We're going to walk forward, forward, back, back, forward, forward, back, and scoop, rain it down. Scoop, rain it down. I'm gonna do that again. I walk forward, forward, I step back, I do that twice. Walk forward, forward, back, and back. There we go. Scoop, rain it down. Scoop, right the side. Forward, back, forward, back. Scoop, rain it down. Scoop, again. Forward, back, forward, back. Scoop, rain it down. Scoop, rain it down. All right? So, we're going to do all of that from the very top. All right? So all I was doing just now is showing you the movements. Showing you the movements that we're going to be doing for 4 times each step. All right? So here we go. Everybody still hearing me? Just checking the sound. Everybody still hearing me? Give me a thumbs up if you're hearing me. All right, perfect. Perfecto. All right, so here we go. So all those steps, what I don't want you to think about, as usual, I don't want you to think about, Christina doesn't want you to think about being perfect. It's about just enjoying yourself. It's African dance. We're enjoying ourselves and just relaxing and letting everything go. So here we go. First step is our zombie. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Our minute starts now. We're going to do the first 30 seconds upright. Second 30 seconds will be taken down low. Here. That's it. Keep going side to side. Side. 10 more seconds up high. Up. All right, 2 and 1. We're going to get low. Take it easy. Transition slowly. Listen to your body. That's it. 1. Hey. Keep going. Hey, 15. Pressure those legs. So it's almost like a side-to-side duck walk that they do to round the booty. Is it back? Okay, good. I think this Bluetooth, every so often it falls down. Rest ends in 10 seconds. Let me show you, we're going to do Guara. All right? After our 10 seconds, in 5 seconds, we're going to go. In 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Other side. Do it slowly. Faster pace. And 1. Here we go. That's it. That's it. 15 seconds. Here we go. Hey, 1. So you go. Pull the shoe up. Pull it up. Hey, pull it up. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right, step it out. Step it out. The next step we have is this one. Here. All right. Here we go. 1. 19 seconds. Focus on that breath out. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. We're going to do that step in 5, Anytime you call me. 4, 3, 2, here we go. 1. That's it. Focus on the breath out. The great thing about this is that you get a little bit of chance in the middle to really focus on that breath and catch your breath. In 5 seconds, we're going to turn with it. 2 and 1. Here we go. Turn with it. Hey. Focus on the breath out. Other way. Hey. Yes. Hey. 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 In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Step to the side. Focus on that breath out. The last one is a stepping forward. So it looks like that. That's the last. Up and down. All right, here we go. 15 seconds break. Here we go. Really focus on that breath out. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, step forward. Forward, step back. Forward, step back. Scoop, bring it down. Scoop, bring it down. Step forward, back. Forward, back. Bring it down. Hey, again. Forward, step back. Forward, step back. Scoop, scoop. That's it. Keep going. 1, take it back. 2, take it back. Bring it up. Bring it up. Again. Hey. Hey. Down. Bring it down. That's it. Hey. Forward. Bring it back. Bring it up. Bring it up. That's it. Again. 15 seconds. Up. That's it. Ha! Hey. 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 Bring forward. All right, that's rest. Rest it out. All right, ladies, so now that we know the moves, what I want to really see you doing is putting your 100, putting your all into it, yeah? Let's burn some fat today. Let's kick some fat ass today. That sounds so strange. 8 seconds. We're going to go to a zonto. And the excellent thing is, since we're already stepping to the side, we're just going to stretch the arms out. So here we go. In 3, 2, 1. We go. Hey, 1. That's it. Hey. Yeah. Hey. You go. You go, girl. That's it. Push. Focus on that breath out. It will last you. It will help you to sustain your breath. 10 more seconds, then we go down. Hey. 4, 3, 2, take it down. Hey. Hey. Ha. Alzonto. That's it, ladies. And the lower you go, the farther you can get that leg. The more you work on the sides of the hip, rounding that booty for when you put on those leggings. Girl, here we go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 30 seconds. There we go. 1. Woo! Focus on our breath out. How are you feeling? Listen. All right. Focus on that breath out, ladies. And if you must take a sip, I prefer if you do room temperature water, yeah? 10 seconds till we're back live. Guara, guara. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1. Hey. Pull it. Hey. 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 That's it. Pull it up. Don't be afraid to bend down. That's it. 30 seconds, halfway there. 1, 2. The only difference now, shifting from side to side. Focus on that breath out. 10 seconds on the clock. You can do it. Here we go. Remember, after this, you got a 30-second break. 2, 1. All right, step it out. Focus on that breath out. Breathe out. Focus on that breath out. If you need to stop, stop for only a moment, but it's best to keep moving. 15 seconds. And we're going to go into that African step here. Yes, that same one. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Hey, 1. Breathe out. And I challenge you, put the belly button to the back of the spine. That's the hardest thing to do, especially when you're tired. Focus on that exhale. Excellent. Very good, everybody. Good. In 2 seconds, we move. And 1. Here. So what I find, when you turn to that direction that you want to go, it helps you to move even farther. 10 seconds. You can do it. Come on, burn that fat. 4, 3, 2, 1. 30 seconds. You hear my breath? Big breath out. Yes. Good. 20 seconds. But don't ever stop. Full stop. Never stop, period. Stop. Nah. Moving. 5. We're going to do shocky, shocky. That's stepping forward. 3, 1. Here we go. 1. Step back. 2. Step back. Scoop. Bring it down. Again. Scoop. Bring it down. Step forward. 1. Back. 2. Back. Scoop. That's it. Scoop. Step forward. Forward. Back. Forward. Back. Hey. That's it. Down. Other side. Good. 1, 2. Hey, 1. Last time. Going a little faster. Going back. Back. Going back. Faster. Up, up, down, down. Up, up, down. Switch sides. 6 seconds. Up, up, down, down, up. 30 seconds break. All right, step to the side. Break it out. All right. That's the second set. We have 2 more sets to go in African. Really focus on that breath out. What happens by the 4th round, persons usually just relax, and that's when they actually start to dance. You know, when they're tired and can't think anymore. 3, 2, 1, hand, azonto. 3rd set. That's it. I see a little bit more bounce from everybody, and I love it. Here we go. That's it. Focus on maintaining a great breath. 10 seconds till we bend down. That's it, ladies. 4, 3, 2. Here we go. Take it down. Hey. And shoulder. Hey. Hey. Ha. Ha. 20 seconds. Work that booty. So step directly to the side if you want to feel that booty burn. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 30 Here we go. Breathe out. Guara Guara is next. Woo! We have just one more set after this. Y'all can do it. I said I wanted to put the hardest style first this week. The hardest style, so we get rid of all the hard stuff, and then we're gonna get into the fun stuff, alright? In 4, 3, 2, Guara Guara, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just pull it up. That's it. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2. Other side. 4, 3, 2. 10 more seconds, and then we're gonna go fast. Focus on that breath out. Pull the belly button to the back of the spine. That's it, ladies. Other side. Faster on this side. That's okay. Breath out. 15 seconds fast. That's it, ladies. Keep going. Fight the feeling. 5, 2, 30 seconds break. Here we go. Step to the side. Oh, I'm breaking a sweat. Here we go. Focus on our breath out. The more you focus on the exhale, it's better for you. Why? The body naturally breathes in for you. That's what you gotta do. Breathe out. Breathe out. 10 more seconds, and we'll go to shocky shocky, standing forward, standing back, scoop, and bring it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Front, back, front, back, forward, down. 1, back, 1, back, up, down. Hold on, let's catch the beat. Let's catch that beat. Let's catch the beat. My internet just kind of fell out a little bit. So that music, the beat went off a little bit. Let's catch the beat. 5, 4, 3, 2, stepping forward. Shucky, shucky. That's it. Again. Down. Again. Forward. Back. We're going this side now. Up. Down. Up. Down. That's it. Again. Forward. Back. Forward. Back. Up. Down. Up. Down. All right. Step side to side. Breathe out. So we just have one more set. African. One more set in the African series. So, if the music is coming through a little bit late for you, every now and then there's a little skip. I think it might be a network issue because it's raining cats and dogs outside. All right? Power. 2, 1. I've done 2. Here we go. Let's go for it. Last set. That's the last set in African. That's it. Pull the belly button to the back of the spine. And remember, every closer to your goal. It don't matter how corny that sounds, it's true. All right. Here we go. Take it low. Hey, eyes on two. Eyes on two. Eyes on two. Hey. Hey. Seconds. Pressure the knees. Pressure the quads. The hamstrings. The glutes. We sit all day on our booty. Just a few seconds. And we're done. All right. Guara Guara is the next step. Breathe out. You want to shake out the hands? You can shake out the hands. This is your rest. 20 seconds left. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guara we go. Last warrior. Hey. And hey. And hey. And step with it. Almost! 18 seconds. Come on, ladies. Last one. 12 seconds. Work those arms, those biceps, those triceps. 5, 3, 2, 1. Step it out. 30 seconds. And then we're going to do that step. Breathe out. Breathe out, ladies. I don't like those faces. Breathe out and smile. This is the hardest class. I know that. That's why I put it first. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 1. Breathe out. Get that body into it. That's it, girls. That's it. Breathe out. Keep going. 5 seconds till 30 seconds. Okay, I'll stop. I'll stop. Now we're gonna go over. Move it. That's it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. 15 seconds. 11, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 30 seconds break. Here we go. Woo. We're gonna shocky. Breathe out. Breathe out. Focus on that breath out. From the pit of your tummy, from your navel, I want you to pull up from the belly button and breathe it all out. It's good to breathe it out. Breathe out all that carbon dioxide, all that toxicity. 4, 3, 2, 1. Shocky. Forward, back. Forward, back. Down. Rain it down. Down. Rain down. Forward. Forward. Up. Down. Up. Down. Forward. Back. Forward. Focus on that breath out. Up. Down. That's it. Up. Down. Forward. Back. Forward. Back. Down. Bring it down. Hey. It's the last one in the series. 15 seconds. Here. Bring it back. Here. Bring it back. And turn. Up. Down. Yeah. I can go forward. Back. Forward. Back. Up. Down. Up. Down. All right. Focus on that breath out. If you need to take a sip of water, take a sip of water. I'm going to give you a minute. 1 minute until we get into that soca segment. Breathe out. Take a sip. Preferably room temperature water because your body won't have to expend that extra energy to regulate the body or the water rather to your body temperature. All right. It's soca. Let me just quickly change, and I hope my soca music will behave better. I hope the music was not coming through too delayed. Let me try to put it closer to the box over here. Please stay put. All right, so of course this is a soca segment, so you know it's a wind-up segment, yeah? So we're gonna start with whining. So we're whining, just a standing whine. Closer, a whine, you hit side, push back, side, forward. And all you're gonna do is connect those dots. Back, side, forward. And on my count, I want you to just whine. And we're gonna whine 30 seconds to one side, 30 seconds to the other side. What I really want you to focus on in the soca segment, if you weren't doing it before, is pulling the belly button to the back of the spine. The challenge is doing it while you're in motion. The next one we're gonna do is quite simply a bend over whine. All right, and it's the same thing when we're here, we're whining, just now we're bending over, you can turn to the side, and you're just gonna whine. 30 seconds this way. On my count, we're gonna turn, 30 seconds. When you're turning, I'm dramatic. I want you to lift the hands up like you're on show, and I want you to go into that next one. All right? Okay, so we're gonna do a standing whine, bend over whine, then we're gonna do what is known as run up and down. All right, so run up and down, basic step goes around. I hope you're hearing me. Let me turn this down a little bit. That moment when you want to turn it down and it turns up. Amazing. So here we go. And what I say, run up and down, this is the movement, the basic motion goes around like that. Around like that. Some of us might recognize it. From my profile, I do this a lot. And all you're going to add to it is a booty shake. So it goes in slow motion. We're going to start slow. We do the first half slow. And then the second half, we're going to go fast, fast. We're going to double it up. All right? As much as you can. This one is hard. Focus on that breath out. The next one we're going to do, oh my Lord, I'm horrible. I am evil. The next thing we're going to do is a push-up whine. Push-up whine. Listen, I said push-up whine and everybody's head did this. Huh? So push-up whine, it's here in a plank and you're whining. Now the challenge, if you can, is to bend the elbows and come up. Bend and up. Of course, I always come with modifications. So you can do a modified push-up, here, down, up, down. Or you can keep it at the plank, here. All right? Whichever it is, listen to your body. All right? So here we go. Everybody good? Give me a thumbs up if you're good. Everybody's okay? We're good. We're good for the most part. All right. Okay, no problem. Here we go, ladies. Woo, woo, woo. Let me turn on this music. I hope you are able to take a sip, a room temperature sip. Here we go for soca. In 3, 2, and 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whining. Nice and easy. We're starting this segment. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. And the hands are relaxed by your side. That's it, ladies. Focus on that breath out. And 1. And in 5 seconds, we're going to go to the opposite direction. 2, 1, other side. And if you want to start slowly and then pick it up, that's fine. Control it. Just yes, girl. Yes. Control it. That's it. So it always feels a little bit awkward going to another side. Just control it. Tell your body, listen, I'm in charge today. That's it, ladies. 10 seconds until our 30-second break. 6, 4, 3, 2, step to the side. You can either step to the side or you can just step like that. Whatever you do, I want you to keep active. Hey. Go home. Wine over wine. So remember my party fingers, okay? 2, 1. Here we go. Hey, taking it easy. Breathe out. Here it is. Catch, boom, see. Wine it round. Hey, that's it. That's it. Hey, listen. I love my ladies. Yeah, girl. That's it. You better. Nice and easy. Don't mind me. Control your body. And turn. 20 seconds. Focus on that breath up. 10. All right, step it out. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 15 seconds. 7 seconds. Hey. Whoa. 4 seconds. 2. And 1. Here we go. Just under. Hand up. Under. Under. And I'm going at this pace. Of course, if you want to slow it down, maybe slow it down to suit yourself, yeah? 38 seconds. Let's add that bounce. Add a little booty here. And I'm going in one direction, but you can always start on the other direction if you feel so moved. 15 seconds. Let's speed it up. In 3, 2, 1. And here. All right. Here we go. 30 seconds. 23, 22. Keep going. Keep stepping it up. 20 seconds. 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Starting with a flat. Flat. I tell you. That's it, girl. Hey! On that 30 second, I'm going to put my knees down and do the modification. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Show them your dirty way. 19 seconds on the clock. Breathe out. Yeah! Take it up. All right, step it up. Woo! Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out. Focus on that breath out. 20 seconds. Woo! No mind. Hey. Breath out. 1. Here we go. One side for 30 seconds. Step it out. 30 seconds. DJ Private Ryan, ladies. Some of the best soca beats. Woo. 19 seconds on my clock. I'm gonna go this direction now. What's been on my hey? Remember. Remember, on the next count, we're gonna do a little booty shake, a little booty drop. 10 seconds to that booty drop. 5 seconds to that booty drop. And 1. Keep going. Keep going. Hey, not because I changed my back. We're gonna double it up. 5, 4, 3, 2. Push up one. Ready to go, right? Keep rocking and keep knocking. 11, 9, gonna get into that plank. Let's get ready. Starting for the plank. And 1, here we go. Keep going. Knock me on my face. 'Cause when I'm in the race, but I only won first place. 5 seconds. Push it up. All right, take it down. That's it. 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, that's it. Woo, 30 seconds. All right. Hold on a second, ladies. Hold on a second. Focus on that breath out. I'm going to start DJ Private Ryan from the top. That moment when you were expecting soca and DJ Private Ryan drops a new beat on you. Ha! Standing one. In 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Let the whole world know. Third set. We're almost through, ladies. Let me tell you how much time we have. We only have 15 minutes left. After this, we'll go to some very slow movement. This is the most intense segment. Switch aside. Last time we're doing the standing wine, so give me the best wine. You have the most sensual wine. Come on, my ladies. That's it. Yeah. Aha. So high. 12 seconds. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Step it out. Breathe out. Don't you worry, ladies. After this, you get a very long break. We only have a few seconds left in class. A few minutes. After this, we're going to go a little bit slower, yeah? Somebody saying, I don't want to slow down. Who's saying they don't want to slow down? Oh. Nobody? 10 seconds. Can we do that bend over one? I'm going to start this way. 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we we go. 1. In the road. I want a big dirty bend over wine. Big and dirty. Bend it over. That's it, ladies. Last time we're doing this. That's it. Big dirty wine. Yes. That's it, ladies. Good work. Good work. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and turn it, turn it, turn it, and 1. Breathe out. 1. 15 seconds. Come on, stay with me. Stay with me. 5, 4, 3. All right, 30 seconds break. Last time we're gonna do that run up and down. Woo! Last time on this, ladies. And then we're gonna cool down. Okay. 15 seconds break. Woo! 8, 6, 5, 3. 15 seconds this way. All the way. Keep going. 1. On my count, we're gonna get into that booty bounce on this side. 3, 2, 1. That way, hey. Give me a double time. You're done. Then we have our last push-up wine. We're almost over. Focus on that breath out. Get some cool air. Woo! We're gonna get down for the last push-up. We start in a plank, then we do some push-ups, then we go down to a modified push-up. Here we go in a plank. 3, 2, 1. Ah, 1. Keep going. 1. Down. Give me 2 more. 1, 2. Modify. Almost over. 15 seconds. If you're all right, 30 seconds. Now we're gonna go to the end, all right? Focus on that breath. So you take a sip, take a sip. Woo! Breathe out, we're almost at the end, yeah? We're almost at the end. Let me change the pace so y'all know I'm serious. We're at the end, ladies. Focus on that breath out. And you know what? I love that everybody's still standing. Woo! We have 1 more minute before we start that slow segment. So what we're gonna do, just stand, yes, there it is, breathe. You're gonna bring one arm like this, the other arm will be like that. Here. So if I just stood up, here. Now what I want you to do, think about cooling down. So the cooler, the more sustained your moves are, the cooler, the faster you cool down. Yes. Now push the hip. Push the hip. The best way. Yes, girls. Again. Push. Don't that feel good? 6. Believe in it. It's the intention behind the movement. Cool down. Cool down. Hey. Up. So the hands are here and here. Here. If you want to know the details, that is. If you don't want to know the details, don't worry, girl. Just relax. But for those who want to know, that's it. Here. Here. I want to see those hips. Let's go. Shakira on it. Hey, that's it. Hey, that's it, girls. That's it. Yes. Other side. Slow. Put it down. Slow. Put it down. Slow. Pull it down. Don't worry too much about the hands, all right? Side. Shift the chest. Forward. That's it. Lift the chest. Side to side. Side. Nice and easy like the water. Around. Do whatever feels right. Don't fight your body. Let your body show you what it wants to do. Yes, that's it. Don't fight your body, please. Especially when it's tired. It thinks less and it does better. Other side. That's it. Push. That's it. Slide. 2, 3, 4. Breathe it out. We're going to do a body roll next. Let me see. 5 seconds. 5 minutes, I'm sorry. Ladies, I did a music video. The day that I wasn't at class, for those who were here, I missed class because I needed to do this music video. I know you guys are going to love it. So if you saw the gold, that's what I did this for. Up. So they wanted me to be an Egyptian African princess. So if you go on my IG page, that's what that gold glitter costume is about. Other side. Here. That's it. You know what I love? When people are tired and they add their own style. I love it. Other here. Bring it down. All the way. We're gonna go here, here, here. Here, we're doing 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Just move the hand. Yes, that's it. Just move the hand. Relax the wrist. Yes. Other way. 1. Relax the wrist. Don't think too much about it. Yes. Good. Everybody good. Everybody good. And side to side. Feel it, ladies. That's it. Push forward and back. Now we're That's it. All the way. Here. That's it. Excellent work today, ladies. Here. Remember pretty wine? For those of you who weren't at dance or broke out, that's what's called a pretty wine. I want you to do the best version you can. Last step. Breathe it in. Stretch forward, stretch those hamstrings. You can put your hands right above your knees or below your knees, never on top of the knees, and just push back on those hamstrings. Thank them for doing such a good job today, for holding you up in crazy Christina's intense HIIT class. From here, we're going to go into a lunge position. Stretch all those hip flexors that we worked so hard today. Focus on that breath out. From here, we're just going to stretch back. Hands above the knee or below the knee, never atop the knee. You want to protect that patella. Other side. Go into that lunge, straight into that lunge position. Easier. You don't have to go as deep. What I want to recommend is that you try to hold the torso up. Don't hunch forward. So if you are upright and you're like that, don't worry about it. The stretch happens in here. Alright, so focus on keeping the torso up, expanding the chest, allowing yourself to take that breath in because you're short of breath right now. You are taking that breath. Let that breath in. Breathe in. From here, we're going to step back, stretch out that hamstring, hand up. Above. Alright, coming back around to the front. I just want you to drop the head. If you feel dizzy, at any point you might want to sit down, put your head down between your knees. Breathe in. And exhale. That's a wrap for today, ladies. Thank you so much. Tomorrow we have flexibility, so we'll go a lot more into our flexibility training tomorrow. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I know it was an intense class. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. And as usual, what I'll do is send everybody this video via email, via link, which lasts for 24 hours. And then, of course, as usual, if you want some extended period, then you can just pay a little itty bitty fee of $5. All right, guys? So bless you all, love you all, see you tomorrow. Okay? Thank you so much. No problem. No problem, Alyssa. All right. See you later, ladies.